In this video, we will see how to make a doodling board like this, where you can write something or you can use this for drawing. Let's see how to make this using Scratch. I'll click on the sprite area, search for pencil sprite and add it to your game. Now click on the costume, select the pencil completely and make sure the tip of the pencil is towards the pointer like this. Next, I'm going to add a pen extension which will help me to draw something. So now, we'll start the coding for the pencil. When green flag is clicked, go to pen blocks that you have added new. Erase all that was done before. You can set pen color. You can also set pen size. I'll set it to 10. And now, forever, the pencil will come towards my mouse pointer. So I'm adding this block. Go to mouse pointer. Next, there are two options when the pencil will write and when it doesn't. So if I keep my mouse down, which means if my mouse button is clicked, I'll keep the pen down, else it will be up. So whenever I click and drag the mouse, it will draw. Otherwise, it will not draw. Hope you like this project. Follow our page for more details. Bye-bye.